Hi, I'm going to walk you through some of the ins and outs of the new dashboard for your website. So when you go here to the YNST admin, you will see now that you have links to external resources that you may use, and then up here are your internal resources. So, like your managed looks, visions, perspectives. You can submit your maintenance requests here, or you can schedule a call with us here if you have any questions about anything. Up here are where your video tutorials are going to be linked. So now this will bring you directly to our YouTube. These are all unlisted videos, so nobody else can see them. They're just for you. And as we add more tutorials, they'll all populate here. And then as we go down here, you can see all of the recent tickets. So that's anything that you've done in the maintenance request here. They will populate here. We actually need to update this iframe one. But you can see as we push the updates, they will move from this column here. Anything pending or in progress will be in the open, and then as soon as we complete them, they'll go to the closed, and they hang out here for about 30 days before they go to the archive. And then down here are your reports. So these are reports for, these will be your analytics. So right now, I think it's just Google Analytics here. Yeah. And then you'll also be getting, we've set you up with a different reporting system as well that will be sending you like a more broken down, like user-friendly version of this report. So like it'll just be like a few pages. It'll explain more of what you're looking at rather than just being a big wall of charts and graphs. And that will start appearing there at the end of each month. And then down here are your contracts and subscriptions, so just showing any past projects or ongoing subscriptions that you have with us. So here's the website project that we wrapped up a while back for the initial build, and then here's just the website and email hosting subscription. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything with your dashboard. It's just meant to like kind of consolidate all the main resources that you're gonna need to manage your website and kind of clean up this space before. Sure, as you know, before there were just like columns of things. They tended to move around a little too much based on the screen size. So this is just a more consistent, concise view for you. All right, thank you.